In this video, I will show you how to shorten URL link. To get started, what you want to do is open up an internet browser, and first what I would recommend doing is just copying the link that you want to shorten. So for example, I've got this link here, which is just a Google image search for dog pictures. Now, if you look at the image link, you can see it's actually very long. So what we can do is actually right click and copy this. And then if we come back to Google, and what you want to do is just Google search for something called Tiny URL. Now you're going to want to click onto the top website. So the official website for this is tinyurl.com. It's completely free to use. You don't have to pay anything. And once you come across here, you can paste your long URL into the box here. And you can also add an alias as well, which makes it easier to remember. So because it's dog pictures, I could put something like dog images example tutorial. So the full URL is going to be tinyurl.com/dog images example tutorial. Now, as long as this is available, it's going to go ahead and do this. So you just click onto the shorten link button. It's just going to take a minute or two to go through. And as you can see, it's going to shorten our link like this. What we can now do is copy this. And if I actually go ahead and open up a new window, I'm just going to paste that into here, hit enter. And as you can see, that's now been shortened down. So that's how to shorten any URL link. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more web-based and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.